Welcome to Fred's Tips and Tricks. In this video I'm going to show you how to install a Brink wiring kit on a Hyundai KONA, but it also fits a Hyundai Tucson, a Kia Sportage, a Xceed and ProCeed and Xceed. Like and subscribe. Let's get started by removing the trim in the left side of the boot.
4 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these 2 clips as well. So I have to remove this one. 3 screws, take it out. You have this rubber ring, you have to get the cable down there, and then you just take, so there's enough wiring for you to work on, and then you have to mount it.
There's numbers on the connector itself that has to correspond to the colors on this particular wiring kit.
2A, blue and black. And then I'm just taking it in like this. Back here, up on the beam, zip tie, zip tie, zip tie. And because I can't really zip tie it here, I've done something so it won't rub against this. Put some silicone here to seal it off. Down there you can barely see where the wiring is exposed. I just put on the ignition. Now I'm taking this one down in this small groove. Remember to have your ground. There's no fog light on now. And here we have 12 volts. We're cutting it here to put on the connectors. This is the fog light symbol. Now we have the yellow one, which is the one I just cut. You should think this of being the light bulb itself, this one. So that has to have a male connector with the big connector, and the other side should have a female connector with the smaller connector. You have 2 contacts here. One of them is bigger. This one is bigger. This is for 2 wires that is going to the fuse box. This one you want to use. This is for a single wire. Got this clamped on and can pull it. Yeah, and it clicked. A male to a female. This one here is the grounding, which I put on here. On the drawing it says green and brown, or gray and orange. This connector is this connector. The button is at the bottom and it's here. And number 2 from the right is gray and orange. Now the brake lights are on, off, on, off. I just pulled off this tape here and just plug it into here with one of the connectors, one of these. This is for the canvas system. You need to take off the battery negative terminal and be sure that they are not connected while you're doing this. This is the connector. Look for these grooves down here. That's those here, the yellow ones. Then you need to tap into number 2, which is a white one, and number 9, which is a brown one. Black to white and brown to yellow. We have this one. Then we have the canvas trailer module here. You have to put in the connector there. This is for something else that you don't need. And finally we have this one. It needs to go down here and follow the car in this side. The handle for the bonnet, I just have to pull it this way, and I pulled it out as well, and here I just pulled it this way. I was able to get it out, and then I fed it up through here, and here it is. The big one for these 2, they have to be connected, and it says like it has to go from this side, and it's number 3 from the top and the second. I just put cable ties up so the whole thing isn't just dangling around. And this one I have to reinstall right here. Just gave it some wiring tape here, and up here some cable ties, so now I'm trying to close it up.
I really hope you succeeded in this operation, which by the way is at your own risk. Thanks for watching. Bye.